Jumping rope is one of the most common cardio exercise options used both for weight loss and for improving the functional qualities of the athlete. In this video, I'll tell you about jump rope benefits, explain the correct jump rope technique, and give some practical recommendations. So watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. Let's go! Let's start with the jump rope benefits. You become much more enduring, spend a large number of calories, lose excess weight, improve muscle definition, develop agility and coordination, and accelerate metabolism. In addition, such cardio training with medium intensity is very useful for the work of the cardiovascular system. Thanks to it, blood pressure normalizes and a uniform breathing rhythm is trained, working at a moderately elevated heart rate, around 120 beats per minute. Makes your heart muscle stronger and more resilient, making it much easier to handle the full amount of stress in training. What muscles work while jumping rope? There is little dynamic load while jumping rope. The muscles don't have time to fully contract and stretch, as the work is going on at a fast pace. Each jump is immediately followed by the next one. Work when jumping rope is carried out due to the calves, quads, and biceps of thighs. Indirectly, the load also goes on the buttocks and abs. Also, a small load goes on the biceps, forearms, and small muscles of the hands, because during the jumps we scroll the rope with our hands. The extensor muscles of the spine serve as stabilizers when jumping rope. They keep you in balance. When cutting or losing weight, your main task is to create a calorie deficit. This is achieved in two ways: a good diet and intense physical activity, and cardio training is especially important for this. They are well tolerated by the body. Overtraining by doing cardio training is almost impossible. Recovery after a workout is fast. One day will be quite enough if you're not performed several dozen sets of exercises with jumping rope. While jumping rope, a huge number of calories is lost. A strong energy deficit is created. For every 100 jumps, you'll burn 45 to 80 calories. Such a spread of indicators depends on the athlete's own weight. The greater the weight, the more energy is required for one jump. It turns out that in 1 hour of training with jump rope, you can spend from 700 to 1200 calories. This aspect already depends more on your endurance, the technique of performing the exercise, and the ability to work correctly with the jump rope. The development of anaerobic endurance is another benefit of training with a jump rope. Developing anaerobic endurance is a key skill for any CrossFit athlete. It makes sense for both amateurs and professionals to do a separate workout with a jump rope during the week. The workout shouldn't be too hard. Work at an average pace. The duration of workout is 60 to 90 minutes. Among other things, this is a great way to take a break from hard training with additional weights and relieve the psyche. To achieve the optimal result, the jump rope technique is paramount. At first glance, there are no special technical subtleties here. We land on our toes, keep our back straight, and press our elbows close to the body. We turn the wrists synchronously with the rope, work at the same speed, try to maintain the same breathing rate. But everything is so simple only during the first 50 to 100 reps. After that, a real nightmare begins for an unprepared athlete. The legs give way, sweat floods the eyes, the calves start to hurt. It becomes impossible to jump normally. The athlete begins to constantly beat himself on the shins with a rope. The pace is completely knocked down. That is why the technique must be worked out constantly. Then you won't have such problems. Training will be much more productive, and jumping rope will be easier with each workout. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon!